welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my realistic after school routine. So right now I just came back from school and it's actually a minimum day, but it's on a Tuesday. We have that not every Tuesday, but every like 2 monthly Tuesdays. But basically we got out at 1:30 and right now it is 1:55 and it's about to be 2. Anyways, I am feeling a little hungry though, so I'm gonna go downstairs and make me something to eat. And I have no homework today, which is good. But yeah, let's go downstairs and make a sandwich. I'm gonna get my ingredients. Now I'm gonna grub. Okay guys, so right now it is 4:20 p.m. in the afternoon, and right now I'm about to get ready for cheer practice. So I'm gonna change real quick with the little transition. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm all dressed out in my cheer attire. We do have certain clothes that we have to wear on certain days. So Tuesday we have to wear a black shirt with our maroon shorts and our cheer shoes, obviously. And then we also have to wear this maroon hoodie that they gave us. It says our school name, cheer. But right now I'm about to get ready and we have to run 8 laps for practice. So I'm just gonna keep my black shirt on because I know I'm gonna get hot and tired. So before I go, I'm gonna put on some deodorant and some body spray. I also recommend using this even though it's men deodorant. I don't know what's up with men deodorant, but I recommend you get some of this. I'm also gonna put on some body spray. I'm gonna be using the Victoria's Secret Love Spell. And this was actually in my backpack. That's why it kind of looks a little run out. I changed it to Bare Vanilla. Same brand, Victoria's Secret. I love Victoria's Secret's body sprays. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my cheer bag real quick and then I'll show you guys what I kind of have in there. I don't really have that much stuff in my cheer bag. I just have my bag of like toiletries and essentials, and then I have some white palms because these are our practice palms as well. They look a little rusted up, but they were from last year when I used to dance for my dance company. I don't dance for them anymore, sadly, but I do coach. But yeah, so I have everything in my cheer bag, and actually I don't have my body spray in there, so I'll just put this in here. I don't actually put my deodorant in here as well. But yeah, I'll probably vlog before and maybe after practice. Before, if I have enough time, I will. If not, then I'll see you guys once I get back home from cheer practice. See ya! Hey guys, so right now I just came back from my cheer practice. I've been here for a while and I just got back from my sister's house because we had to go drop something off. Right now it is 8:45 p.m. Ignore the text messages. Those are from my friend. Kubo! Kubo! My doggy Kubo. He missed me. And right now I'm about to change into my pajamas and take off my makeup as well and do my nighttime skincare routine. I usually don't do it every night, but I tried to find a good time to do it. Then after that I probably just chill until I'm ready to go to bed, which is when I feel tired, you know? So right now I'm changing to my pajamas and we're gonna do a little transition. And I'm changed into my pajamas. So right now I'm at my vanity and I'm gonna take off my makeup and do my nighttime skincare routine. So let's take off my makeup. so I just took off my makeup. I'm looking a little bald right now, but that's good. So right now I'm about to do my nighttime skincare routine. So the first thing that I use is the Triple Bounce Serum from e.l.f., which is from e.l.f. Skin. And I just put it on my face. If I can even open it. The next thing that I use is the Grande Lash Serum. I haven't been using this a lot lately, which is kind of bad, but at the same time I'm also running out, but I don't want to buy another one because the full one is like 68 bucks and this was only 38. It was like $30 less, so yeah, I'm good. I'm using my mirror because I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye with it. Hello, why do I have a pimple right here? I don't know if you can see it, but I have a pimple right there. I'm breaking out. I don't know what that means. Not gonna say it, but to all my girls, you already know what that means. I also like to do my bottom lashes as well because you never know. Ugh, I'm crying. Just poked my eyeball with that. Wow. Okay, so I just did my lash serum. Okay. And right now I'm about to put on my lip mask from Laneige, and it is the flavor Sweet Candy. I was gonna get the berry flavor, but then I smelled it and it smelled like cough syrup. I hate cough syrup. And then after that, I'm gonna put on my water sleeping mask from Laneige as well. I try not to put so much because I don't really need that much, but still, I need some. Sorry y'all, my friend keeps on texting me, and if you keep on hearing a buzz, that's my friend. Okay, and that is basically it for my nighttime routine. And usually when I chill, I like to put on my glasses because they're actually prescription and I low-key kind of need them. And yeah. And before I go to sleep, I put on my braid bonnet, but I'm not going to do it on here because I look a little dumbvisualist. But anyways, after that, I just chill. So let's go chill for a bit. Also, what I like to do as well is that I like to pick out my outfit for the next day so that I don't have to rush and find an outfit the morning of, because I wake up kind of late and I take a shower kind of a little too long, but I don't anymore because got my hair braided. But anyways, and it's gonna be even block day tomorrow. We had minimum day like I said today, and we ended at 1:30. I think we're gonna have another minimum day tomorrow, I believe. I don't know, but if so, we are. And then yeah. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm actually obsessed with like these like little girls. Like, I don't know what they are, but I'm obsessed with their outfits, and I'm gonna kind of recreate it. I'm not gonna do the hat though because I'm not really a hat person, but I'm also like a beanie person as well. But our weather is not beanie approved yet, so we're just gonna do this without the hat. That's the outfit that we're gonna have, and we're gonna pick it out. So yeah. Okay, so my pants are over here, so I'm just gonna go over here. Ignore my makeup vibe. So she had like ripped jeans, like white ripped jeans, but I don't have those, so we're just gonna go with like simple, plain, light, baggy jeans. I'm gonna go with these. Now we're gonna move on to like the shirts. So she has on like a white tube top, but I can't wear tube tops to school because my mom won't let me. So we're just gonna wear a regular white shirt or tank top, depends. So I'm just gonna go with like this cute little nice Hollister top. It's like a square neck. It's not a tank top or a tube top as well. It's a nice little cute white short sleeve. That's very nice, you know what I mean? And then the jacket, I don't have my jackets up here, they're downstairs. So I'm thinking of wearing a like a jacket that I have. It's white, red, and blue. It's from Tommy Hilfiger, and it's nice. I don't have like an all blue jacket, so I'm gonna use that instead. And then shoes I'm gonna wear, probably my red Jordans, my red and white Jordans, my red, white, and black Jordans. There you go. And that's what I'm gonna wear. So I picked out my outfit, and I already know accessories, what I'm gonna wear, all the other stuff. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna chill since I have everything ready. I charge my Chromebook. That's what I do as well before I go to sleep. And yeah, let's chill.